Here's how you can make money with Canva templates and generate thousands of dollars in passive income from them. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So a lot of business owners and entrepreneurs nowadays understand the need to have like a social media presence because this is where most of their customers are. This is where everybody is right now. Everybody's on Instagram, everybody is on YouTube, everybody's on TikTok even now, everybody's on Pinterest. So a lot of business owners and entrepreneurs understand the need to have a presence on those social media websites because, if they're not there, they're not making money from their business because that's where everybody is. However, a lot of those businesses don't really want to be bothered having to create content for social media. They would rather want to focus on other sides of their business, such as improving their products, improving their services and things like that, right? But they understand that they need to be on social media or else they won't be making as much money as they can. And that's why social media templates have become so popular recently, or at least over the last few years, because it allows those businesses and entrepreneurs to have access to a particular template that they can simply use again and again and again and again. All they have to do is just change a few things before they upload it, add maybe an image or two, and that's just about it. And when you see such a huge surge in demand for those kinds of products, meaning social media templates, then there is going to be a lot of money making opportunities in there. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video, how to make money with Canva templates. So if we go on Etsy and we go in the search bar and we type in, let's say, template, right? We'll see that, those are the things that, Etsy is suggesting us. Those are the things that people are, searching for on Etsy for the keyword templates. As you can see, there's templates Canva, template for Instagram, templates planners, business cards, for cricket, for tumblers, wedding invitations, for labels, for resumes. So there's a ton of different kinds of templates that people are searching for. And I'm sure if we go even further than that and we type, like, let's say the letter A, you see there's a bunch of other templates as well. Let's say we put B. As you can see, there's template for banners, template for books, templates for businesses, for baby showers. So there's so many templates that are being sold on Etsy right now. So for example, let's go and see for Instagram. Let's click on template Instagram, and you'll see that there's a bunch of different sellers selling different templates for the Instagram niche, for Instagram posts. And some of those templates don't cost that much money, but you can see they've got a ton of positive reviews and a ton of sales as well. So let's say we were to open two of those templates, right? So let's say this one, for example. This guy here created 100 Instagram post and story templates for photographers, edit within Canva. So anybody who buys this can edit it on Canva. Modern engagement templates, no Photoshop required, etc. So he's only charging $30 for that. And he's got a bunch of positive reviews, 5-star reviews, and he's made 765 sales from that one template as only. And if we go through some of those templates here, you see those are his works. Really nice looking templates with like a brown background. As you can see, this is not that hard to create. I'm going to show you in a minute that you can create this on Canva in just a few minutes, and it's really not that hard at all. So if I'm bringing in my calculator right now, and let's say I was to type in how much he's charging for this, so $31.52. Let's multiply that by the amount of sales that he's made. So from that particular Instagram template as alone, he's made close to $25,000 just from selling this one template alone, which is really, really insane. So if we look at another template, this one here, a real estate realtor social media engagement bundle. So 500 plus real estate Instagram posts, realtor branding, realtor marketing, real estate agent social media posts. So this is a bunch of templates for the real estate niche. And he's giving away a ton of templates in that particular bundle, over 500 plus templates. And that person is charging $86 for that. So if we have a look at some of of those templates, you see that, you know, he's giving more information, you know, what's included, listing for the checklist, market stats, you know, just listed posts, stories, you know, under contract posts. So a ton of different posts that is clearly related to the real estate niche. And you can have a look at some of those templates. They look really, really nice. They're really not that hard to create. You can have a bunch of those templates on Canva that you can edit and make them more unique. As you can see, made in Canva. So if we look at how much money they most probably made from this, he's charging $86.38 and he's made 2,400 sales. So this guy made over $200,000 from this particular template sale, which is really, really insane. So now that you see really the opportunities that exist from selling those types of templates on Canva, let's now explore how you can do this as well. So how can you create templates similar to those one that we just talked about and start having similar results, hopefully similar results to some of those sellers that you just saw? Okay, so obviously you would have to go on Canva to do this. This is how most of them are doing their Instagram templates. So for example, you could simply click on Instagram posts, where it just said Instagram post, let the page open, and there you will have like a blank Canva that you can start working on. And then you have a bunch of different, you know, templates that you can use and then edit them and make them more unique, right? So for example, you could pick this particular template here and then, you know, change a few things on that template and make them more unique to yourselves. You know, that's the great thing with Canva. You can pretty much change almost anything you want. You can simply change it, you know, change the color, you know, change what's written in here, go fight, let's say run, something like that. So anything you want, you can edit it and make it as unique as you want. Okay, so just to give you an example, this was something I created in one of my previous videos. So I made another video where I talked about how you can create Canva templates very easily. I will leave a link in the description so that you can go and watch that video. And I basically created a whole 2 other templates based on one template that was already available on Canva. So this was the template that was already available. Not exactly this one I created, but something similar to this one. I just moved around a few things, you know, changed a few things that was written here, the image, and then I created 2 of the templates. As you can see, this is something that you can create very, very easily. So if you sell this to a particular client, all they would have to do is maybe change the pictures and then have whatever they want written on the sides here. Those are very easy to create and it does not take a lot of time at all. Even if you're totally new to this, at first it might take a little bit of time to create those templates because you might be new to Canva. But as you get better and better and you create a lot of those templates, eventually you will become very good at creating those templates, and you'll be able to create those templates very, very easily and very, very quickly. Some important tips I want to share with you in order to be successful with selling templates on Canva is to, what you can do is go and find some of those templates that are being sold on Etsy at the moment. Have a look at some of those templates from other sellers and try to recreate them on Canva. The more you do this, the better you will become at creating very good looking and very highly profitable templates. I've done that myself in one of my previous videos. I made again another video about, you know, Canva and Etsy where I created a template from scratch. Not exactly from scratch, based from a template that was already available on Canva, but I looked at a template that was being sold on Etsy and I tried to recreate that template on Canva. I have a video where I did this. I will leave the link in the description. You can go and check it out later. But, you know, for example, it was this particular seller here, Mindful Hustle Plan, and he was selling a bunch of different templates. For example, he was selling a bill payment tracker template, which he's selling for $1.50. This is how the bill payment template looks like. As you can see, it's the bill, January, February, March, April, due, amount, and so on. And I literally created this on Canva. As you can see, this is what I created. It only took me like a few minutes to do this, and you can see that it's very similar to what is being sold here, as you can see. So, you know, it does not take a lot of time. It's really not that hard. You know, it just takes a little bit of practice in order to be able to do that. Another important tip is, as I've said, you want to upload a lot of templates, because then not only will it make it will make you become better and better at creating those templates, but also it will increase the chances of one of your templates going viral and getting you most of the sales. As I just showed you in this video, some of those templates got sold like a ton. Like one template got over 2,000 sales alone, and that template made that seller over $200,000. So this is what you want. You want to create a lot of templates, because a lot of those sellers on Etsy, you will see that they have like close to 1,000 templates, sometimes have 500 templates, and all you need is just one or two to really go viral to make you like hundreds of thousands of dollars. So you want to create as much template as you can, maybe one or two if not more per day, and this will increase your chances of being very successful with this method. One final thing I want to share with you is, once you've become good at creating those templates and you've got a bunch of templates that you're selling online, you can also sell them on Fiverr. Fiverr is also another place where people sell their templates. As you can see, some people are selling their templates for $5, $10, $15, $10, $30. So the good thing with Fiverr is that the price will be much higher. So on Etsy you might have to sell your templates for like $2 or $3, but on Fiverr you'll be able to sell them for much higher price, and you will get people buying those. As you can see, this guy has 76 positive reviews, 42 positive reviews, 93 positive reviews, 365 positive reviews. So Fiverr is another place where you can go and sell your templates as well. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.